Hi, I'm Ashley, and here's my friend Mia. Today we're going to practice pointing out beginning consonant and vowel sounds in words. Cat and cup. Do you hear the k sound at the beginning of the word? Cat, cup. What about mug and met? They also have the same beginning sound. Mug, met. Do you hear it? What beginning sound do you hear in the words ape and acorn? That's right, A. Great job. Now listen carefully to the beginning sound of the next two words. Apple and alligator. What is that beginning sound? Apple, alligator? You got it. Both words make the ah sound at the beginning of the word. Notice that even though these words begin with the same letter shape, A, the sounds are different. Apple and alligator begin with the short A sound, but ape and acorn have the long A. Now, which of these words make the beginning sound W? Cap, tip, wag, even. Did you say wag? If so, great job. Now it's your turn. Play the games to practice listening for and then choosing the beginning sound you hear in each word. Have fun and always be clever.
Hey, hey.